Yes, good evening sa inyong lahat mga kasabong ha. Ito na po yung special set of quadro materials natin para sa kaibigan natin from Bali, Indonesia. Sir, good evening. This is the final selection for you. The 7 trio ay quadro materials to Mr. Chuwat Bali and Emil of Tonsia Game Farm Dragon 88 of Bali, Indonesia. Sir, here's the additional 7 na set of personal and super quadro material, sir. Okay, these are the perfect and super set for you, sir. All overall total of 21 and plus 1 almost 22 set of quadro material, special set and super material, sir. These are for you, sir. The selection of Mr. Dragon. Okay, sir. The first one, sir. Here's are the Madigan Claret, sir. The yellow leg. The light side, sir. Look at the tail of the meal. Very nice. And then the pullet, sir. So perfect, sir. Perfect combination for you, sir. Okay, straight line of light side Madigan Claret. Okay. And this one, sir. These are the perfect hats. Set up straight hats, sir. Very nice male, sir. And powerful male, sir. Okay? Perfect, sir. For you, sir. High station, very nice. High breaker, talented chicken. And this one, sir. This is the Dragon Butcher. Okay? Very nice. Red color and then a white leg. Straight comb. The pullet is Dragon Butcher. Dragon Butcher. Same. But not family, sir. Very nice, high station, nice stand and good posture, sir. Okay? And this one, this my signature line material, sir. The male is a 95 hot Cheney over ram, 2 picom, and then 1 straight comb. Tasmanian Devil Hats Ram Henny, the female. And then the male is 95 hot Cheney. Okay? Then these are the gray that I said to you, sir. The gray is these are the peg. Okay, the Flurry Eye Taffy Gray over triplet to triple gray. The combination of the triple gray is Halsey and Harold Brown and Milsims Gray. Okay, these are the two, the light color, sir. And then the one, same peg, same bloodline of the male. Okay, Harold, peg, okay? Flurry Eye Taffy Gray. And this set, the white, sir, is the California White Claret Principe line. Okay? Straight line, sir. The female is also same bloodline but different family, sir. Look at the size of the male, high station, and good posture, sir. Very talented chicken, sir. For you. And then the last one, this is one of my signature lines, sir. The Dragon Pumpkin. Okay, very nice. This is the one that I post in my wall. Look at the posture. Then the station of this chicken. And then the female, sir, is 3 straight comb. Very nice posture and then high station. Okay, good size, sir. Straight line of signature line Dragon Pumpkin. Look at this male, sir. Very nice male. Okay? This additional 7 set of super and personal quadro material, sir, for you, Mr. Chuwat Bali and Mr. Emil of Tonsia Game Farm Dragon 88 of Bali, Indonesia, sir. Okay? Additional set, overall set are 22 quadro. First one and then this 21. Another set. Okay? Yes, good evening, Mr. Dragon.
Yes, good evening, mga sabong-sabong. This is a very special request to my good friend and partner,
Mr. Chuwat Bali and Mr. Emil of Tonsia Game Farm Dragon 88 of Bali, Indonesia. Sir, here's the personal selection super materials for you, sir.
Yes, partner. This super personal material came from Reading Pen. This perfect chicken, partner. So look at the body and This is not full molting, but the tail is a very long tail. So perfect chicken, sir. See, look at the bit high station and perfect. And the pullet also Badigin Claret, light side. See, look at the color of the pullet and the station. Same. Very good pullet, sir. Like Miss Universe. See, look like twin. Very perfect set up, sir. And this my super personal material, sir. Perfect hats. This multi-winner. Perfect hats. The combination of the perfect hats, sir. 6 hats. Leaper hats, McLean hats, Colonel Rubin hats,
Doc Robinson Hatch,
Doc Robinson
Mel
hats,
Sims Hatch,
Milsim hats.
and Gilmore Hatch.
Combination of 6 hats.
6 Hatch combination inside the bloodline, sir. That's what we call the perfect Hatch, the perfect one, sir. So very good chicken, sir. Overall, they have a beautiful fight and then very nice power chicken, high breaker, sir.
Yes, sir. Very perfect chicken, sir. So, see, look at the body,
Look at the body, sir, and then the color in the
the
pit.
station, the tail.
The tail, sir, very nice tail.
See, very. You are
You're so special to Mr. Dragon, sir. You're a partner here in Philippines,
Yes,
Golden
sir.
Dragon, sir, in Tonsia Game Farm of Bali, Indonesia.
Yes, sir. You are very spoiled to me, sir. My farm in you are selector, sir, and your wish is my command, sir.
Oh.
You are
You're
very
so
spoiled to
special,
me.
sir. Special to Mr. Dragon, sir.
And the pullet, sir, also perfect hats, but not family, sir.
Same bloodline, sir, but not family, sir.
See, look at the color, sir. Slight.
Light color, sir. Hatch, but the color is light, sir.
Very good.
Very good
body.
station.
Station. Very perfect, sir.
Perfect combination, sir, for that setup. Oh. Look at the male and then the female.
See, look at the station, sir, because like I said, you are very spoiled to me, sir. And this, my super personal also, sir,
Butcher, sir.
Butcher. The brother, sir, the brother of the winner in Pasay. And this also a big deal, sir, in if you have a butcher, sir, the butcher is very short.
But this one, sir, is very nice. Nice station, sir.
See,
Look
sir,
at the pit, sir. Very high station, and then the body conformation. So beautiful, well balanced, sir. The male.
yes, sir. But very hard to make, sir.
Hard to make. Almost 6 years to making, sir. This bloodline to get a higher station, to make a high station for this.
And long tail, the body is perfect, sir. Not like other in strong bones, not like other butcher, sir. Very short. See, in the female, sir, also butcher, but not relatives.
Look at the
See,
female, sir. Very nice female.
very nice combination.
Butcher, sir. Dragon Butcher.
Like a twin, sir, like I said.
Okay.
This is good combination. Is Mr. Antonio Borboran's very
Very perfect selection for you, sir. And a nice combination. Best of the best selecting to you of Mr. Dragon, sir.
yes, sir. Because I want to help you, sir. Because you are my partner, sir. This is also multi-winner, sir. This is not for sale because this a winner. This is a very good chicken, sir. See, 95 Henny, sir. This one of the favorite Henny in my farm, sir, because that's why the 95 Henny is named, sir, because the bloodline, sir, 1995.
That's bloodline starting to make, sir, the year of 1995. That's why we call the 95 Hatch Henny.
And the grandfather, sir, is 11 times winner.
Yes, sir. That's a very very nice cutting ability, sir, and high breaker. That's a good chicken, sir, for you.
Look at the eyes.
That's yes, that's good, sir, for your breeding.
And very good body.
And this one, sir, these are the ram straight comb, sir.
This is I said, sir, Ram Henny, sir. The
Straight
combination of Ram Henny, sir, this Ram Puri Asil, and hard to make, sir. Almost 10 years to make good chicken, sir, because you know the Ram, sir, is very ugly and not very good chicken, sir. But
Very ugly, and then very short neck, sir. But these are the line that we have. We have this the very nice composition, sir. Very high station and good body posture, sir. Not like other the Rampuri, very short and then very chest. The chest is out, but this is good, sir. Look like the ordinary Henny. Very nice, sir.
yes, sir, this very talented chicken, sir. Good cutting ability and very gameness chicken, sir.
Yes.
Ram Puri, Ram Henny. And this,
Two P-comb, sir, and then one straight comb. The first one is the straight comb, and then the other two is the P-comb, sir.
and this one, sir, Tasmanian Devil Henny, Ram, and Black Mamba, sir. Ram Black Mamba. Sino katatak? Black Tank.
Black tongue, sir.
This I said to you, sir, this very good cutting ability, Henny, and very gameness chicken, sir. And this, sir, this my original Tappy Gray, sir, pig.
Clary Eye Tappy Gray, sir. That is the original broadcock material.
This junior belt Prairie Eye Tappy, sir. This very good chicken also,
Very good
sir.
chicken, sir. Look at the size, sir. High station. Then a beautiful chicken, sir.
This original, sir. This not F1, sir. This original I give to you, sir, because I want to help you. Very good chicken, sir. Very powerful chicken and strong bones. Perfect chicken, sir. And the one, sir. This also Prairie Eye Tappy, sir. But this not relative, sir. See, look at the tappy, sir.
Look at the tappy, sir. It's very
Yeah.
yes, sir. Very long hair.
Yeah, this very
Indian.
yes, sir. Very
Indian
good,
tappy.
very good combination with the broadcock, sir. And
These two, sir, these are the triple gray. Okay, that's we call triple gray. The combination of that is Halsey gray, Harold Brown gray, and Milsom's gray inside, sir.
yes, sir. Triple silver gray, sir. This
Yes.
very good fully, sir.
Look at the color, sir. Very nice. Silver gray. That's why we call triple gray. Deep gray inside, sir.
Triple silver gray, sir. See, look at the color.
The color, sir.
Light.
Light gray, sir, and silver gray.
Yeah, silver. And this also, sir, may multi-winner, sir. California White Claret Principe line. This very good body, sir. Very good station and strong bones. And look at the eyes, sir.
Look at the eyes, sir. All of these, sir, are good eyes, red eyes, high station, and good posture, sir.
Very good, see, look at the body, sir. Like a football shape.
Yes, like a football ball, sir. The shape of the body. Then the station of this is a high station, yellow-legged, sir.
sir, is also California White Claret, Principe Line, good station also, sir. See, look at the pit and perfect pullet, sir. See, very good pullet.
That is a very good pullet, sir. Nice station,
But
sir.
you know, the Philippines, sir, is very raining.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Every day raining, sir. That's why very dirty. But tomorrow, sir, I clean this chicken. See, look at the body in the station, sir. And sir, this is like I said, sir, super multi-winner, super personal material, 24 karat, sir.
Yes.
The celebrity line, the celebrity color. See, very good cutting chicken, very nice chicken, sir. Look at the feather, very much white, sir, and long tail, and very good chicken, sir. Very powerful, strong bones, strong chicken.
Then I will show you the eyes of that male, sir. Look at the eyes, very red eyes. Yes, that's the eyes, sir. Look at the eyes.
Like I said, sir, you are very spoiled to me, sir. And
Okay.
look at the pullet, sir.
The pullet, sir, is very nice combination for that male, sir. Look at the
Sir,
color.
this is not for sale. This is from breeding pen, sir. This is very special to me because the color, sir. See, look at the feather, sir. It's
Like a cream, light color of the pumpkin, sir.
Yeah.
Straight comb. The male is P-comb, then the female is a straight comb.
this is very perfect combination, sir. And this came from breeding pen, sir. See, look at the face is not a red, sir, because came from breeding pen.
Yes. That is my personal selection for this month for the Genesis, sir.
Yeah.
Personal use, sir.
See, look at the
Came from the breeding pen. Look at the wings, sir. They have a lot of white. Okay, very nice combination, sir. High station, long neck, and good female, sir. Straight comb,
and white ear.
white ear. Okay, sir.
See, look at the station, sir. Very perfect.
Pencil pit and high station, sir.
Very good, chicken, sir. Sir, partner, Swat Bali and Emil, thank you for the trust. I hope you like this, sir, and you are spoiled to me because your wish is my command.
Yes, sir.
All my secret of the farm, sir, I give to you because I want to help you because you are my partner. What the name of the farm?
The name of the park is Tonsia Game Farm Dragon 888 in Bali, Indonesia of Mr. Chuwat Bali and Mr. Emil. Sir, here's the super set selection for you. The 22 set of personal quadro materials of Golden Dragon Game Farm 888 and Mr. Antonio Burburan. Okay, sir. Thank you for the trust, sir, and I hope you like it. This kind of set that I will select for you. Okay, sir. Thank you. God bless. Good luck to your breeding, and hope we'll see you soon in your country, sir, in your area. And then if the cock season, let's combine for the personal entry. Okay, I select you the best of the best, sir, here in my farm. We will fight for the World Slasher Cup here in January.
In Araw ng Davao.
And Araw ng Davao, sir. I select you the best of the best, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you for the trust and God bless, sir. I hope you like the personal selection and good luck in your breeding, sir. Thank you and God bless. Mga kasabong, maraming pong salamat sa tiwala, supportan niyo sa Golden Dragon Game Farm. God bless sa inyo lahat, mga kasabong. Thank you po.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Dragon. Sir, Chuwat Bali and Mr. Emil, here's the additional 7 set of personal selection and super quadro materials. Overall set is 22 set of quadro material, sir. Okay, thank you, sir. Good luck in your breeding. God bless, and thank you for the trust, sir. Okay, good evening. Have a nice evening, sir. Okay, thank you.